Hey guys, it's Tia Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 4 of what I'm calling 12 days of press-on, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't seen the very first video, the first 3 videos actually, go back and watch all those and then get caught up so that you can stay up to date on all the nail sets that I've done up until this point. As many of you know, on this YouTube channel, I do nails, obviously, for my business. I don't think people necessarily put those two things together, but I do have a press-on nail business, and I happen to show you guys some of the ways that I create some of those sets. So the colors of my business are definitely pink and white, so this set is just absolutely perfect for my brand. But the set is for sale, so if you guys want it, it's on sale, for sale, with the holiday sales, so be sure to check it out. I will have it linked down below in the description box so you guys can purchase. I've recently started using this Macart liner brush. I feel like it's been a few months since I've been using it, but I've been using it consistently for like the past month. It's so much better than whatever I was using before. Very crisp and accurate, and I'm really glad that I started using it. I'm also a Macart affiliate, so if you guys would like to support me but also get money off of you guys' purchases, go down below and you will see the link down there so you guys can shop their website and get money off of your purchase. Okay guys, so if you have not seen this hack already, then this is something that I do all the time. But whenever I'm working with glitter, I make sure that I do a matte top coat and cure. That way when I put on my glitter, it doesn't stick to anything besides what I want it to stick to. So that's what I'm doing here, and then I move on to my candy cane nail. This nail took me a minute, so that's why this clip is so long. But I wanted to make sure everything looks super crisp and neat, and it's honestly worth it because the way that it turned out was so adorable, and I'm very glad that I decided to do this design. You guys know me, I love snowflakes. Obviously, the past few sets that I've done have had snowflakes on them, so that's what we're gonna do here. I feel like snowflakes just make it Christmassy. I feel like there's a lot of ways you can make holiday sets, but I feel like snowflakes really just pulls it all together. To finish this set off, I'm going to be adding a little bow. I feel like it's so adorable and it fits the theme perfectly, and it adds a little bit of flair without doing too much. Once the top coat is applied, this is what the final product turned out to look like. I think it's super cute and very fitting for all my girly girls who love Christmas. So again, if you guys want to purchase, check down below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you guys can come back to see day 5. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!